Welcome to the Hoover Yard Tour 2008. This is the front yard. Kind of a rainy day. Got some nice impatiens around this big oak tree. It's very nice. A little pine tree. I like that little guy. This is Lila's idea to make these super thick impatiens all through here. They're just beautiful with the hosta. Lila had another idea to paint the front door black. Well, I've got a studio I call Black Door Studio, so works for me. She's smart. Black door. Killer. Got these neat little red guys here with the impatiens. Check these out. Got those at a flea market, farmer's market, for super cheap. Check out this purple guy. I don't even know what this is. This is weird. He's an annual. He'll have to find another one of those next year. My dad gave me a peach tree. Well, I gave him a peach tree a long time ago, and this is a seed of the peach tree. So, hopefully we'll have a peach next year. Here's a little cherry tree I planted. I like cherries. I'll say I'll just planted that. Fascinating. The orchard. Let's go around to the main garden in the back. Here's just kind of a grungy little garden, kind of shady spot here. Lots of nice plants in there. Here's the garage. There's the main garden. There's a lot of, it's kind of overdone, too much. Too much. Tomatoes, kale, peppers, herbs. Petunias like crazy. These big boys are getting ready to bloom. Rose with this little Japanese beetle. He didn't make it. I may have gassed him, I'm sorry. Here's some beans. Some bushes I trimmed down. These were massive. I hacked them, now they're coming back. This is another one of the main gardens. It's got this ornamental evergreen I like quite a bit. He's cool. It's red annual. I like him a lot. This makes a really bright, I think it's a cardinal plant, makes a really bright red flower. The cardinal. Here's a mutant, another one of my mutant evergreens. Freaky. Here's my snow on the mountain around the tree. I like those. Those are awesome. Japanese fern. This is an air plant I stole out of Florida. Smuggled it back on the plane. This has no roots. It just gets its nutrients from the rain and debris. Another Japanese fern. Nice little walkway of plants here. Here's my hosta garden in a shady spot under some evergreens. Giant evergreens. Wow, look at that. Tons of hosta ferns. It's kind of a wasteland back here, but when these plants mature, they'll spread out, and this will be a really neat little spot.